If your ultrasonic welding machine doesn't work, don't worry. Next is the next stage of machine repair and mold adjustment. Continuing the content of the previous video. No 4. After releasing the handle, shake the rocker to control the body to descend. No 5. Use the walking plate to lower the body until the workpiece is completely pressed. No 6. Rotate the 4 小时 horizontal screw below the flange to adjust the horizontal orientation of the welding head. No 7. The welding head rises, and the workpiece to be welded is put into bottom mold. Follow the next video for the complete step.